The expression "you live and learn" encapsulates the idea that life is a continuous journey of growth, discovery, and learning from experiences. It emphasizes the notion that each life event, whether positive or challenging, provides valuable lessons and opportunities for personal development. The phrase acknowledges that nobody is perfect, and mistakes or setbacks are a natural part of the human experience. Rather than dwelling on failures or regrets, "You live and learn" encourages individuals to embrace these experiences as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Throughout life, people encounter various situations, make choices, and face consequences. Successes and failures alike present lessons that contribute to personal wisdom and resilience. Embracing this mindset allows individuals to navigate life's challenges with a sense of curiosity and openness, eager to discover the valuable insights that lie within each experience. "You live and learn" is often used to console someone who has experienced a setback or disappointment, reminding them that it is a part of the learning process. It encourages them to use the experience as a stepping stone to better outcomes in the future. Moreover, the expression is a reminder of the power of adaptation and flexibility. As individuals encounter new circumstances, they learn to adjust, evolve, and develop new skills or perspectives. This adaptability is crucial for personal growth and thriving in an ever-changing world. Embracing a "you live and learn" approach can also lead to increased self-awareness and self-reflection. When individuals take the time to analyze their experiences and their reactions to them, they gain deeper insights into their own strengths, weaknesses, and values. The phrase encourages a growth mindset, a belief that intelligence and abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Instead of viewing intelligence and talent as fixed traits, individuals with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Furthermore, "You live and learn" fosters resilience and perseverance in the face of adversity. When individuals encounter setbacks or failures, the mindset of continuous learning enables them to bounce back, reevaluate their approach, and move forward with newfound knowledge and determination. The expression also acknowledges that learning is not limited to formal education settings. Lifelong learning involves gaining knowledge and skills from various sources, such as personal experiences, interactions with others, and exposure to new ideas. In conclusion, "You live and learn" embodies the philosophy that life is a journey of continuous learning and growth. It emphasizes the importance of embracing life's experiences, including successes and failures, as opportunities for personal development and wisdom. This mindset encourages adaptability, resilience, and a growth-oriented outlook. By approaching life with an open mind and a willingness to learn from every encounter, individuals can navigate challenges with a sense of curiosity and self-awareness, leading to greater personal growth and fulfillment on their life journey.